Bonsai trees are among the most fascinating and expensive plants in the world. Their cost is not just about a plant in a pot. In a pot, it reflects years of careful cultivation, precision, and artistry. Each bonsai is unique, shaped over decades or even centuries, making it a living miniature masterpiece that captures the beauty of nature in a tiny form. The process of creating a bonsai begins with a regular tree. Over time, its growth is carefully controlled to remain small while appearing fully grown. This is achieved through a combination of pruning, wiring, grafting, and repotting. Every branch and leaf placement is deliberate, designed to create perfect balance and harmony. Even a small misstep, a snapped branch, a misplaced wire, or an uneven root can permanently alter the tree's shape or damage its health. This careful manipulation requires skill and patience, and the rarity of trees that reach perfection adds to their value. Time plays a central role in the cost of a bonsai. Unlike ordinary plants that grow quickly, bonsai develop slowly, often over decades. Some of the oldest and most prized bonsai have survived for hundreds of years. Age brings depth, texture, and natural elegance. The bark thickens and cracks in beautiful patterns, the branches mature with intricate twists, and the overall structure becomes more natural and lifelike. Older bonsai are rare because they have survived many decades, sometimes centuries, making them extremely valuable and highly sought after. Care for bonsai is intensive. Watering must be precise, neither too much nor too little. Fertilization must follow a strict schedule to ensure proper nutrition. Soil conditions, sunlight, humidity, and air circulation all affect the tree's health. Bonsai are sensitive. Small mistakes can stunt growth or permanently damage the tree. Maintaining a bonsai is not a simple task. It is a continual process of observation, adjustment, and nurturing, ensuring that the tree thrives and remains aesthetically perfect. Rarity is another factor that drives the cost. Some tree species are more difficult to grow as bonsai due to their natural growth patterns, sensitivity to environmental conditions, or longer maturation periods. Exotic species or those with unique characteristics are particularly expensive because successful cultivation is rare. Limited supply combined with high demand creates a natural increase in value. The artistry of bonsai extends beyond the tree itself. Pots and tools used in cultivation are often handcrafted and can cost thousands of dollars. Specially shaped containers, intricate rocks, and miniature landscapes enhance the visual appeal of a bonsai, transforming it from a simple plant into a miniature ecosystem. Some bonsai arrangements even include multiple trees, moss, and stones to replicate tiny forests or mountain landscapes in a single pot. Every detail matters, and this complexity adds significantly to the cost. The philosophy behind bonsai also contributes to its value. A bonsai represents more than just a tree. It symbolizes harmony, balance, patience, and the delicate relationship between nature and artistry. Each tree tells a story, showing how time, care, and skill can transform a living organism into a miniature masterpiece. This symbolic and aesthetic significance elevates bonsai far beyond ordinary plants, giving them a place among collectible art forms. Longevity is another reason for high prices. Some bonsai live for hundreds of years and are passed down through generations. This continuity and history gives certain trees extraordinary worth. Owning a bonsai is like holding a piece of time, a living record of growth, care, and natural evolution. The older the tree, the more refined its appearance, and the higher its market value becomes. The combination of all these factors, time, skill, patience, rarity, artistry, and care explains why bonsai trees are so expensive. It is not just about the materials or labor involved. It is about the living beauty created and preserved over decades. Some bonsai can cost hundreds of thousands, and the rarest even millions, reflecting the extraordinary dedication, precision, and natural wonder they embody. In essence, a bonsai tree is a miniature world. Each branch, twist, and leaf placement is intentional. Every curve imitates nature. Every tree is unique. The cost is a reflection of the centuries of dedication and the artistic mastery required to create and preserve such a marvel. Bonsai are living treasures, rare pieces of art that combine nature, time, and beauty in a way that few other things can.